talk about my snow report number 20. Now in this snow report, y'all will see me skiing from last Sunday up to today or possibly tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Because I needed to include last Sunday for y'all to see the snow conditions, the weather, the temperatures, because I'm logging, because last Sunday was still the month of March. So I'm logging the month of March. All this weather, the temperature, the snow conditions, everything to make sure that I have the whole month of March in the videos. Okay, so last Sunday was madness. It was skiing straight down to a firing squad, but y'all will see on the video what I captured. It was totally crazy and cold. The weather changes so quickly that in 1 week it goes from minus something to 7 degrees like today. So, and down in town it was 18 degrees yesterday. Alright, down in Andorra. That is pretty crazy. Now we are stepping into April, so very windy because the wind blowing up, the hot wind coming up from the south. So you will see very windy. It's the same every year. Super duper windy, and sometimes it's hot wind as well. It took away some of the snow that y'all could see on Tuesday. And on Thursday I skied at Grandvalira, Grandvalira. Started out at Grandvalira thinking that I could go everywhere. But oh no, I was wrong. The wind was so strong that I had to ski only at Grandvalira, because all the while on the loudspeakers they are saying that to stay where you are. Do not go over to other places or other resorts, because they could shut down the chairlift at any time. Any chairlifts, okay? So we had to ski up and down, up and down. I did take a look at Gaza. The snow is amazing, but I didn't go down due to the loudspeaker keeps saying don't go anywhere. Okay, dokie, I'm gonna get down. I'll see y'all in a bit. Bye. Alright, just ski down to get back on this chairlift. The Mercedes-Benz. Okay, now we're gonna go back up and maybe go down the black or the red or blue or whatever. Today is the day. There's practically no one, and today's the day to enjoy. Anyway, as I was saying on the other chairlift, now let's pick it up. And I'd like to say hello to Ben, which I saw on Sunday. I believe it was Sunday, the windy day, the crazy, insane wind day, and Ben was just arriving. And thank you, Ben, for approaching me and say hello, because most of my subscribers, they know who I am, but I have no idea who they are, what they look like or what they're wearing. So thank you again, Ben. And I'm sorry about your snowboard. So Ben came up and said hello to me, and he left the snowboard on the slope, just the entrance to come into the Maradas, right? And the gush of wind picked up his snowboard. Well, the snowboard kind of skied itself down the slope, down the Maradas, straight into the woods. Now that was not a good start, and I'm sorry And now I did go down and I talked to the people, as you already know, Ben. And the next day, I went and looked for your snowboard again down the mothers at the corners and look in the woods, but I didn't see anything. All right, but luckily Ben got it all sorted out. The people really helpful, the staff really helpful. So, and he did email me and say that he had a good time and he will come back again. So that one day didn't spoil the trip. Okay, and it was the snowboard skied itself down with the help of the high wind. So y'all know from now on, just don't leave your gear, skis, or snowboard around. It can just ski themselves, and they just go with the wind, gone with the wind. Okay. Oh. Snow parks are still looking amazing. Y'all can still have fun.
Wow.
Now y'all see a few people, but mostly the slope is empty. Okay. So y'all can see the slopes in front of me, they are empty. So now y'all enjoy the snow show. I'll see y'all on the video. I will comment along as usual. And I'm just gonna start skiing, enjoying my day today. Alright, see you on the video. Happy skiing. Bye. Oh, the reason why I have my visor down, it's not raining, it's not snowing, the wind, there's not a lot of wind or anything. I have it down because I have been skiing for the whole season basically, and my face is so tan, my nose is like black. So now I have this down on the blue birthday like today. The sun is pretty strong, so I have it down. Maybe it will protect me a little bit. I have loads of suntan lotion on. Okay, so that's the reason why I have my visor down. Okay, dokie, bye. So windy. The wind is so strong that I wish I have somebody, all 6 people sitting on this chairlift, because the chairlift is swinging. Today is Sunday, March the 30th. So tomorrow, Monday the 31st, and we're into April. Almost the end of the season. Woo-hoo. After the snowstorm yesterday, the sun comes out today. It's a bluebird day, as predicted by the weather forecast. Yay! But there's always a but in there. It's very windy, like super duper windy, insanely windy. Uh-oh, chairlift stopped. Okay. Alright. See you up the top. Okie dokie. The sun comes out, bluebird day, but as windy as hell. Oh my god. I think the wind blew most of the snow away because the slope looks pretty bare, judging from the chairlift. But I will let y'all know how it is once I get on the slope and ski down. Oh my god. Today is a day for a girl named Wendy. It's a windy city, like in Chicago. I'm sitting on a swinging chairlift. Not a lot of people today. Look at that. Look at the mountain on top of me. The wind blew most of the snow away. Not good. Oh boy. Up there, spectacular. In front of y'all is a small gully. It's really fun to ski down, and there's snow enough to do so. So we have been going down there. So you see this crazy wind. Jesus Christ. Jesus, just let me off this chairlift and let me ski down safely. Oh my God. It was like yesterday, but with blue sky instead of the snowstorm. It's taking all the snow away. Alright, I am putting my camera away. Oh my God. Oh boy. I can't see the screen. I can't see if I'm videoing. Shall we go down? Or standing here? Now I am keeping these video clips to look back on them. I can't believe that I was out there in the extreme elements. never thought I go down. It's gonna be this windy.
Plus, to log the weather for the month of March,
Alright.
the last week of March.
Oh,
Pretty insane weather
Goodness.
as we are stepping into April. I am doing the suffering for y'all. Okay, dokie?
now the slope is pretty bare because the wind blew away all the snow, the good snow that the slope has yesterday with the snowstorms. Okay, I'm not moving. There's Ben, my subscriber, and his snowboard went straight down over the cliff. I'm asking for help with the people that work here to get his snowboard. Por favor. Hay alguien, podemos llamar a alguien, por favor.
Voy a preguntar, pero como te digo, está todo ocupado evacuando.
Sí. Sí, sí. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go down and I ask for help. Man, I asked for help. Okay, I hope I can see his snowboard. It went down right there, straight down. So it should be somewhere there. Today, this is the only slope that is decent, safe to ski on. So it should be here, his snowboard. It should be somewhere here. Or maybe it went down further. the slope today. Well, it's nice here, but the slope on top down, it was bare slope, like a sheet of, I wouldn't say ice, but very hard packed slope. Y'all see anything? Any snowboard? There is a net here. Let's keep going. Whoop. Yep, I skied straight into the sauna with ski boots, with skis, everything, because today the wind was horrendous. It was madness. It was insane. But I did it. I skied down and I made it alive and kicking. And I'm here in my sanctuary, relaxing, warm and toasty. Whew. Anyway, see you on the video. We're swimming. Good morning. Today is Monday, March 31st, last day of March, and it's 10:15. It's already 10 degrees. Crazy weather. Yesterday it was freezing cold, windy. You already saw that in the video. And today 10 degrees. Okay, a little bit windy, but unlike yesterday I couldn't even ski. Speaking of the devil, and the wind picks up, but it's alright comparing to yesterday. Oh my god, it was mayhem, it was madness, and the wind picked up a little chunk of snow, and it was like skiing down straight into a firing squad. Okay, so today's gonna be, it looks slushy because it's already 10 degrees. It's one day to another, day and night. Oh, look at that wind up there. Okay, Mr. Wind, stay up there, don't come my way, okay, please. I would like to get some skiing going today with this nice snow. All pisted as well. Ooh. All right, see y'all later. Did I say that it's not windy? Oh my god, it was windy by the time I get to the mid station. Wow, it was almost like yesterday, but it's not all the time. Plus the little rocks of snow that's hitting your face. It was crazy. The only nice bit is the bit where the beginners are and straight down the Maradas. That's the only nice bit away from the wind. How is the slope? Rock solid because the wind blew all the snow, the top layer away. So it was rock solid. It's still nice. I mean, you just do a lot of carving on it or go straight down. But it was crazy, insane. The wind blew me away again, same yesterday. Alright, see y'all later. Hi Ben, we're looking for your snowboard today. Let's see if we have any luck. Slushy. It's only 11 o'clock. Let's see if we have any luck at all. I think your snowboard color was a beige color. Well, there's a wire fence there. Let's go to the other corner. Still very windy at times up the top, and the chairlift to go to the very top of Arinsal is not running. Too windy. Oh yeah, you can't see it from here. Not here, I guess. Okay. Good morning. Today is Thursday, March the 3rd, and yesterday it snowed all day up the mountain at all resorts. Okay, so but it's super duper windy today. Most of the chairlifts are shut. So, and they made a big announcement that they advise you to ski at where you are. Don't cross over to any other resorts due to high wind, so things might be shutting down. So ski at your origin, that's what they say. We are at Grandvalira. It's looking amazing. It may be icy because the wind blew most of the fresh snow away. Look at that wind in front of me. It's very cold, 0 degrees. Oh my gosh. Another windy day. Most of the chairlifts are shut except this one. And they advise y'all, or if you're going up the chairlift alone, you have to wait for other skiers to get up with you because you can't get on the chairlift by yourself. You might be, the wind might blow you away. It might huff and puff and blow you down. Y'all can see that it's pretty shiny on the slope. That means that it's icy. Yep, it's gonna be a tough day today. So I'm gonna go up, check out. I might not, oh my god, look at that wind. I might not, oof. Oh my gosh. I might not be able to go down to Gaza. Even if I could, I wouldn't want to risk it. Due to high wind, they might shut down the chairlift to go back up, then I'll be stuck in Gaza. Okay. I have my visor down because it's so windy that tears just going sideways. So the visor will protect my eyes a little bit. Not a lot of people. It has been pretty empty this week. The other day I was skiing at Arinsal and there were literally 5 people skiing. Well, there were more people with lessons down below at the ski school. But on the slope there were 5 people. Loads of snow still. Like loads. Heaps. Okay, if y'all are here, then ski on whatever is open and y'all still enjoy yourself. Okay, they pieced the slopes and it's pretty rock solid, pretty much. As long as it's not icy, I can deal with it. It's rock solid. It's good. It's good slope. Okay. Right, just stick with the slope. And maybe it's on the edge of the mogul field. Oh, there's a guy skiing down the mogul field, the off-piste right there. Oh, he's doing well. Yeah, it looks pretty soft. Good job. Well, there's not a lot of moguls here. I'm gonna check to see if chairlifts from Gaza is open, but Shall I risk it? Y'all will know in the video. Okay, I'm almost to the top. Look at that wind. It dies down a tiny bit, but who knows? Today is a windy mountain, or it's a windy city. Chairlift from Paso La Casa going up is open. Alright, see y'all later. That was awesome, wasn't it, Chloe? That was for you. The kids' forest at Grandvalira. Okay, dokie, bye. Guess what? I'm back in Arinsal because there wasn't much to do at Grandvalira. They kept announcing that y'all should stay where you are. Don't cross over to different resorts. Due to high wind, they might shut down chairlifts. And now it's 11:45, and I'm back in Arinsal. No wind. Well, at least here. I'm not sure about up the top, but and it's hot. Anyway, I did some skiing road, and I even went into the kids' forest. That was amazing. I wish I'm small so I can ski there. It was so fun. And I did a tiny video for Chloe. Yay, you will see it on the video, Chloe. Alrighty then. See y'all up the top. Let's check it out to see if it's windy or it's going to be nice, because it did snow yesterday, so we have some fresh snow. Hopefully it's still some on the slope, because the high wind at Grandvalira blew most of the new snow away. Okay dokie. Alright, see y'all at the top. Bye for now. Alright, just ski down to this chairlift, and it was amazing. No wind. Okay, slightly windy, but nothing compared to Sunday or Monday. Okay, it's a normal wind, and y'all can even ski down the gully. This right here. All right, I mean, sweet snow. We're gonna up now. Just stay the top, ski down to this chairlift, and keep going back and forth. Don't go all the way down today. Today it feels like skiing at my own ski resort. So y'all can go east, west, back and forth all y'all want. Look at that, totally empty. I ski for all of y'all. I'm going down Solana, the shoulder run up at Arinsal. It's about 2-3 meters wide. So I like this run because of the view. You can see clearly the snow park, and you can do really short turn radius, like quick turns, or just ski straight down. Good morning. Today is Saturday, April the 5th. And we still have loads of snow. But today we parked up at the middle station, not the bottom where the Joseph Serra chairlift is, because we don't plan to ski down the Maradas later on, because it's going to be really slushy. Right now it's already 7 degrees. We started out the day at 8:30 at 7 degrees. Can y'all believe it? It's hot, but because of the good snow that we've been having in March, it snowed almost every day for 3 weeks. So we still have loads of snow, but by 11 or 12, it's kind of slushy. Alright? So we plan to ski from the top of Arinsal down to the Mercedes-Benz and back up. So we don't maybe go down to this chairlift again, but maybe, because we want to stay where the snow is good and not slushy. Even though it says 7 degrees down there, but it may be colder up the top with the wind and everything. Magical! Woo! Yay! Having fun!
Most of the people do it the wrong way. Got the wrong arm up. You're like Jacko's Faulkner.
I'm worried that somebody impales another kid.
Yeah, we are.
What a magical day. I just skied down to this chairlift, the Mercedes-Benz, and it was awesome. Well, because first thing in the morning it might just be a little bit soggy later on, but it's going to be magical today because we're just staying up. Now, right now we're going to go up all the way to the top and then ski down to Maradas, because Maradas is still nice. Okay, it's first thing in the morning, so we're gonna take advantage of the first hours and ski the top down Maradas a few times before it starts to melt and become a little bit soupy. Well, soggy and then soupy at the bottom. Okay. That was awesome.
Nice, eh?
There's no one on the slope.
Where's everyone?
Sorry.
Where's everyone?
Somewhere. my God, that was absolutely stunningly, magically run. All right, we're going down to the Moradas. Let's get a few runs out of the Moradas before it's all lumpy, chopped up, and soupy. Good morning. Woohoo! Where's my friend? He's still up there. It's a little bit soft already. Whoa, it's really soft here. It's magical today. Skiing today, it was like the first day of the season. The excitement, the snow is amazing. All piste slope, black run, red runs, all piste, everything is excellent. I have been going up to the top, coming down to the Moradas, because the first hour or so, I need to take advantage of the perfect snow condition, and before the Moradas start to melt away, basically. Okay, so now I'm going up to the top again and ski down, maybe to the Moradas again, because still very good. It's so good that you can go at whatever speed you like. And the best thing about this week, even today, Saturday, no one, practically, you have the slopes all to your lonesome selves, okay? straight into lunch. Just for y'all to see the snow conditions off-piste. Soft, just don't do it first thing in the morning. But now it's 11 o'clock, but we've been doing this before 11. Alright, so it's all softened up, it's all nice now. Okay, bye for now. My friend is doing off-piste and he just started skiing last year, so he did well. He did from all the way to the top down to here. Go Chaco! Woohoo! Good job! You did
Try and
it!
kill me.
What did you say?
Nothing, just pleasant words.
I told you, I warned you, I've done this many times before, but you are alive and kicking.
Good grief.
Come on then, Jack. Back to coffee here in that gully.
You say, okay. Alright, bye for now.
Alrighty then, just some quick updates. It started to snow again at 5:30 p.m. As you can see in these two video clips, it snows up at 25-50 meters, sleet at 22-25, then rain down at the villages. So we will see if we have fresh snow to shred tomorrow. As it stands at this very moment, all resorts will be open due to Easter weekend. Happens to be April the 20th, the confirmed closing date. Last year they shut the resorts down early because Easter came early on Sunday, March the 31st. Then they left only Arcalís running for another week after that. So we hope to have good snow for the next 15 days. I apologize for another long video. I left out a lot of clips but still managed to edit another long video. So I appreciate and truly thank you for your snowy patience.
The end to a perfect Saturday skiing at Arinsal. Now tomorrow we might come back here or we go to Arcalís or Grandvalira. We don't know yet. Probably here because we want to stay away from the crowd. Okay, because still a weekend Sunday, Arcalís is usually crowded. Okay, and Grandvalira. So y'all will know. But if I upload the video tonight, then tomorrow won't be in the video. But the snow conditions will be the same. Because same temperatures, same blue skies, a little bit of clouds, specks of clouds here and there. But nothing to be worried about. Alright, time to have lunch and go into the sauna. See y'all in the video. Enjoy. Okie dokie. Bye for now.